Hey everyone. So Michael Saylor has just bought an additional 12,000 Bitcoin for $821.7 million using the proceeds from convertible notes and excess cash for 68,477 per Bitcoin. So as of March 10th, MicroStrategy holds 205,000 Bitcoin and they acquired it for $6.91 billion, an average price of 33,706 per Bitcoin. So it's truly incredible how he continues to accumulate even at the all time high levels. So his opinion is that Bitcoin's market cap should be at least the market cap of gold, which is 14 trillion. And Bitcoin's market cap is right now about 1.4 trillion. So he believes that there's at least a 10x to go, and that's the base case. So Bitcoin should go to at least 724,000 per Bitcoin, according to Michael Saylor. And I'll play you a little clip from CNBC here.
Of how investors should think about your company. And right now, I think they think of your company as a proxy for Bitcoin. It was a way for investors, frankly, who didn't want to buy the underlying coins to get access to Bitcoin and exposure to Bitcoin. The question now, though, that these ETFs have been approved and folks are funneling money towards BlackRock and so many others, how should they think about your company versus doing that?
Yeah, so BlackRock is like the container ship or the super tanker of Bitcoin. They can take $1 billion a day into their capital structure, and they can haul that very efficiently, 25 basis points. MicroStrategy is like air freight. We got higher performance. So what's going on here? MicroStrategy's got leverage. If we borrowed $800 million at 62 basis points, is there any company in the world that you wouldn't like to invest in that could borrow $1 billion at less than 1% interest to invest in your best idea? So we get that very intelligent leverage. It's non-recourse, it's unsecured, and then we buy Bitcoin with it. That leverage gives us volatility. It gives us performance. The performance gives us volatility. The volatility attracts capital, and we can then leverage more. It's kind of intelligent because it's convertible debt. It's given our shareholders more Bitcoin per share this week than they had a few weeks ago. So it's very accretive for them. And it's pretty compelling for every investor. If you're Bitcoin curious right now and you want to buy Bitcoin at the all-time high, how do you get the upside in Bitcoin with downside protection? MicroStrategy sold 800 million in debt, and we have 12, $13 billion of Bitcoin on the balance sheet. So we're giving you an over collateralized loan and the upside. But if you're a Bitcoin maximalist and you love Bitcoin and you want to hold it forever, the ETFs charge you 25 basis points. MicroStrategy is accreting. We're giving you a yield against your shares in a tax efficient fashion. So the maximalists like the equity. The hedgers, they kind of like the upside with downside protection. The traders love the vol.
In New York, there will be mostly sunny weather.